Assalamu alaikum, dear teacher. I am Abdur Rahman from Gulshan Campus A, and I'm your math coordinator. Right? Today, there is a workshop for mathematics. Yes, this is online workshop here. Online subject-based workshop for O-level mathematics 4024. The objective of this workshop is to discuss mathematics syllabus changes 2018 till 2021 and ways to improve mathematics for GCA result and common mistakes. We discuss common mistakes which a student do. Okay. In paper 1 4024 oblique 1 2, the first number, this is your paper number, paper 1, and the second number 2 is your variant. Variant is 2. Okay, 1 2 is your code 4024 oblique 1 2, paper 1 and the variant 2. In 2018 to 2021 syllabus, there is no change in paper 1, right? As paper 1 has approximately 25 short answers questions, and this is the very important point here. Tell a student to avoid omission of marks. Candidates should show all working in the spaces provided on the question paper. Essential working must be shown for full marks to be awarded. Calculator is not allowed in this paper. Okay. The paper 2 code is 4024 oblique 22. The first digit is showing paper 2 and the second for variant. There is a change. There are some changes in paper 2. All questions, candidate must attempt all questions. There are no optional questions, right? And there is no section in the new syllabus. No section in the new syllabus. Paper 2 has paper 2 has approximately 11 structured questions, and candidates should answer all questions. Further, candidates should show all working in the spaces provided on the question paper. If they do not write answer in answer space, they will not get the 1 mark. Essential working must be shown for full marks to be awarded. And the important note, 3 significant figure. All values must be given in 3 significant figures, and working student should give in 4 significant figure. Significant figure is very important, and my suggestion is when you check test papers or examination, kindly deduct the mark if student did not give 3 significant figure answers. Okay. 3 significant figure for values, and if there is an angle, okay, there is angle, candidate must give one decimal place, sorry, one decimal place for angle. Paper 2, candidates are encouraged to use the value of pi from their calculators. This is examiner instructions. In paper 2, candidates are encouraged to use the value of pi from their calculators. Otherwise, they should use the value of pi given on the front page, which is 3.142. Okay? Students can use the value given on front page of the math paper 2, which is 3.142 to 3 decimal places, unless the question requires the answer in term of pi. In paper 2, candidates should answer in degrees to one decimal place for angles. All right, degrees for degrees. Answer will must given in one decimal place. Changes in syllabus content 2018-2021. Yes, senior teacher, can you add on the changes? Sir Furqan.
Ji sir, already.
Assalamu alaikum to all of you. This is Safwan.
Wa alaikum assalam.
The changes has been made. First of all, I'm just going to tell you what is going to be included. The first thing, a scatter diagram has been included, and the second thing is net diagram, and the third thing is compound interest. These three topics are being included in the syllabus.
And the topics which has been removed, Sir Ejaz, please discuss. Sir Ejaz. Thank you, Sir Furqan. Thank you very much. Sir Ejaz, can you?
Yes, sir. We already added all these three topics. Okay, and
Okay.
and we removed from the syllabus, that is stretch and shears in transformations. Okay, and
Okay.
as well as loci in 3D.
3D dimension.
Yes,
Thank you
yes.
very much. Yes, teachers, is there any query about regarding papers? Yes, Ms. Faiza, Ms. Taira, Sir Saad, if you hear me.
No, sir, all clear.
All clear? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
this was
sir.
the reinforcement. Wa alaikum assalam. Now, additional materials for examination. Yes, Sir Zuhaib, can you tell?
Assalamu alaikum to
For
all of you. First of all, let me tell additional materials. Students can use flexi curves also to draw graphs, and tracing papers they may use. They are allowed. If they required, they can take it to the examination center and they use tracing papers. Both of them are allowed. Okay, and calculators in paper ones, calculators are prohibited, not at all allowed in the even in the examination center, as well as in the examination hall. And in paper 2 they may use calculators.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Okay, teachers, kindly tell students you can use tracing papers when you teach symmetry. When you teach rotational symmetry, tell students you can take tracing paper. You can use tracing paper on your test or exam, and you can take tracing paper in Cambridge examination hall. Okay, it is allowed, and tracing paper may be used as an additional material for both of the written papers, paper 1 and paper 2, all both. Okay, now there is activity number 1. In this activity we discuss how to improve. I want to participate all the teachers in this activity. How can we improve the math result for our campus GCA? How can we improve? We start from senior teachers. Yes, Sarajaz. Sarajaz, can you tell me suggestions.
Sir, in these situations, by using yes, in this situation by using the workshops and uh, taking online classes and sending him assignment, then we can improve the
Okay.
result. Okay.
Okay.
And during a school, when we open, then practice from past paper is also very important for improving our
Okay.
result.
Past papers, examination report,
Yes,
marking
because
scheme.
same.
Very good. Very good. Thank you, Sir Ijaz. Yes, Sir Furqan, kindly add on.
Sir, first of all, student needs to be nowadays per, student performance a lack of concentration. They
Very
should
good.
show some concentration towards work, because whenever the question comes, either if it's easy question, they do mistakes. Even
Okay.
they do mistakes in board mass question. Even they do mistakes in calculation, simple calculation.
Very good.
So we need to make them understand that you have to give 100% concentration. Either the question is easy or hard.
So, Sir
So you
Furqan,
should give.
what is the solution of this lacking?
Lacking
What is
is
the
that,
solution?
sir. As far as my concern is that, as you know very well,
Reinforcement.
practice makes man.
Right.
Yes.
Reinforcement. Reinforcement.
Reinforcement, the previous concept, practice.
Okay.
At least
Okay.
they should practice. Keep on practicing. In this way, they can remove their error. Otherwise, although the student who gets a static A, he does mistake also.
Okay. Before as an a starter activity, we should do focus on mental math. Okay. For the lacking of yes, Miss Faiza. Sorry, Sir Zuhaib. Can you add on?
Yes,
Sir
sir.
Zuhaib.
Yes, sir. I want to say just regular reinforcement of basic concepts. The
Okay.
students are having problems in grassroots level. Okay.
Right.
So first of all the teachers, we ourselves also we should work on grassroots level to cope up with the mistakes of the students which they normally make in the lower levels. Okay, and
Okay.
for that we have to create some type of test papers or quizzes or small worksheets containing few questions only, containing basic concepts. Okay, multiple
Okay.
questions should be there placed time and again, so that they can have good practice. Maybe they fail to do in the very first time when they are asked to do, but gradually they will learn. Okay, so on regular basis we have to touch upon the basic concepts and uh, the topics they are taught in the lower
Yes.
classes for building up the concepts. Okay,
And
the
time
building
management.
of, we have to, yes, time management, the building of the concept, the execution of the concepts. When you are doing a certain calculation, how to execute with it.
Okay.
So little things will help gradually. Inshallah there will be an improvement, I would say. And
Inshallah.
there has to be a policy to create a self belief in the student.
Okay.
We should create a self belief in the student that you all
With
can do it.
confidence. Yes, you can
Yes,
do.
confidence,
Yes,
motivation.
you
You
can do.
all can do this. We are here to
Yes.
help you out, and we will be, inshallah, putting in all what we can do for you time and again. Just you have to go along with us.
Yes.
These things will, inshallah, they will work. I hope so.
Inshallah.
Thank
Thank
you,
you
sir.
very much, Sir Zohaib. Miss Faiza, can you add on?
Yes, sir. Sir, I totally agree with Sir Zohaib that it's very much important to reinforce the previous and basic concepts, like at
On
the
daily basis.
level. Yes, at the level of class 8 even, there was a need to revise the concept of taking LCM. Students
Right.
used to do mistake in decimal addition and subtraction, so they are, yes, very much little basic concepts, and we teachers thought at this level that the students have already done all these things and they knew it, but the reinforcement is
Very necessary.
very necessary. It's very
Important.
much required.
Right.
So we what we used to do, like in school on every Friday we used to give them worksheets, reinforcement
Okay.
worksheets, but that were
Okay.
related to the topic of the same term. But yes, I'll suggest now, when schools will open, that those reinforcement worksheets should be related to these basic concepts, to the previous concepts of previous classes, so students will be able to first grasp those concepts, then they will be
Okay.
able to move forward. Because
Okay.
in our during means in our regular classes,
Okay.
it's not possible to go to that much lower level of
Right.
explaining each and
5 minutes.
every step. Yes, in
5 minutes
starter
at
even
the
we used
starting.
to keep in
Yeah.
starters or even we used to keep, but we are having such children which are really below average, and they
Yes.
will never pick up the things within 5 minutes even. So
Okay.
we have to give them separate individual attention, that how
Attention.
to perform these LCMs first,
Yeah.
then we can explain the basic question what was being planned.
Right.
So yes, this is a good
Vectors.
idea that on Friday, on every weekly basis, we can
Okay.
give them different worksheets which are particularly related to these basic concepts. So yes,
Right.
it will help a lot, because in paper one also, in O levels, many questions are, and even in class 8 as well, there are some general questions
General
like
mental math questions.
exactly. So our students are
Yes.
lacking in that. So
Right.
we can help children in revising those concepts first.
Give mental math tips to
And
Exactly.
sir,
So we have
to
started,
save the
as we have
times.
started, yes, in the school also, we were taking mental maths as a starter, and even in online classes also.
Right.
Sir Hassan has guided us. We have planned a different mental maths quiz games. So students are taking so much interest. We have conducted that. I have conducted in my class twice that game.
Okay.
So it is a very helpful thing. Students used to take very much interest in. It was a time bound and
Okay.
scores were coming on their screen, so it is also a helpful thing. We can keep basic questions in that quiz type game, so it will also
Right.
be helpful.
Yes. Thank you. There are
I want
various
to add on,
activity.
sir,
Yes.
sir Rahman, I want to
Please.
add on to Miss Faiza that she's very much right that how to proceed with these activities. And for this, I would suggest that we should have a proper lesson planning
Right.
allocation about. We have to have an allocation of this reinforcement in the
Allocation of
lesson
time.
planning as well.
Yes.
Allocation of time in the lesson planning, so that once
Right.
it is in the lesson planning, then everybody will be following it. So it has to be
Yes.
done on regular basis.
Yes, Sir
Okay,
Zohaib.
no, it should not be eventually
Right.
or occasionally.
Regular,
It should
daily
not be
basis. Daily
occasionally.
basis, 5 minutes.
Yes, daily
Daily
or
basis,
maybe
5 minutes.
twice a
As
week,
Madam
maybe
Fatma
twice
told.
a week.
Yes.
Yes,
And Madam
that
Fatma
has to
speaks
be there
also.
in the planning. Yes.
Right. Okay. Miss Faiza, kindly, can you add on something? Miss Faiza? So no,
Yes
no,
sir,
sorry,
Miss Tahira,
Miss
I think we are
Tahira.
talking.
Sorry, I'm sorry,
Ji, ji,
Miss
ji.
Tahira. I'm sorry. Thank you.
Sir, I will second. Very enjoyable and interesting. Yeah, 11.
Yes, Miss Tahira, can you add on?
Sir,
Some,
I will second Sir Zohaib and Miss Faiza.
okay.
As it was started, as Miss Fatma made us make some worksheets for
Yes.
um,
Mental math.
maths. So in the same manner, we can continue it and we can have it in daily in our classes. And
Okay.
then we can give them few worksheets, a
Right.
comprehensive one on weekends. Same way, we can also, the way Faiza said, we conducted online quiz in a
Okay.
form of a game which students enjoyed a lot. But for
Right.
that, we have to have it in the computer lab if we are going to have a proper school. Then I think these IT related things are more interesting for students.
Interesting.
They,
Exactly.
they take more interest in these things instead of having a simple class
Yes.
uh, just to bring some uh, interest or just to have some interesting things in our class. We can take our students to the computer lab where they can play that game and to see that who is winning, who is
Right.
getting good marks. So this competition
Motivational.
will definitely, yes, it is a motivation. So this competition will definitely improve their mathematical skills.
Right. Thank you very much, Miss Tahira. And Miss Ushra, kindly, can you add on something about
Yes,
to improve the results?
yes, there's nothing that I would like to add much. I totally agree with all of you. But one thing that I find very helpful for myself as well is that we need to practice more. And the reason that I think that students are lacking in mathematics is their attention span is very short. They do the first few steps very good, and then they just lack the interest in the equation or whatever it is, and that is where they make mistake. They take addition and subtraction very lightly, and that is where they
Okay.
make
Okay. Yes. Thank you very much, Miss Bushra. Thank you very much, Miss Bushra. Please, thank you. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you, teachers, all of you, for your suggestions. Now, the second activity is I'm giving you some question, and you have to put correct command word. Okay, correct command word. Students should know the correct command word, right? I'm giving you some questions here, and you should put the correct command words for these questions. Now, write correct command word for this question number one. Yes, x square minus 4. X square minus, yes, Miss Bushra? Miss Taira, can you tell me the correct command word here? Anyone? And it's
Sir, factorize.
factorize.
Is
Yeah,
Sir,
factorize is the,
I
yes, sir.
think factorized completely.
really
Uh, Sir Furqan, factorize completely if it is x square minus 16, because you know the second step x square minus 4 and x square plus 4. This type of question, examiner give command factorize completely. In this question, the answer will be x minus 2 and x plus 2. In this question, the correct command word only factorize. Okay, Sir Furqan? It is only factorize, because you know x minus 2 and x plus 2 is the final answer. If it will be x square minus 16, it will be x4 minus 16. For x4 minus 16, we write the command word is factorize completely, like this example. Okay, question number 2, it is x4 minus 16. Sorry, there is a mistake. It is x4 minus 16. X4 minus 16, for this type of question, examiner give command factorize completely, because you know x4 minus 16, the next will be x square minus 4, x square plus 4, and then x minus 2, x plus 2. Got it? Now, yes, what will be the command
Solve.
word? Solve.
solve.
Solve. And second option is solve or
Solve by factorization.
solve by factorization. And third option is
Evaluate.
Find the value of x.
find the
Find the
value of
way.
x. Find the value of x. Okay. I think evaluate. Okay. And you can find the roots. The word roots, familiar student with roots. Okay, a student should know the roots are the values of the x when you are giving equation to solve. Okay, find the roots. A student should be familiar roots of the equation. What are the roots of the equation? Right, to find the roots is the, yes, solve, find the roots, and as Sir Zoeb telling, solve with the help of factorization. Okay, find roots. Okay, give when you are giving solve equations, find roots. Uh, Roots is the keyword. Yes,
Sir, expand by using
expand
identity.
by
Yes.
using
Or
identity. Expand. Yeah.
yeah,
Yes, sir.
or expand.
Yes. Yes. Expand. Expand or by using identity. Yes. Okay. Expand is the keyword here. A student must be familiar with these keywords. Yes. 3x cube minus x over x.
Simplify.
Simplify is the keyword. Correct keyword is simplify here. Simplify. Yes. Sorry, 1 minute, please. Yes, Hassan Siddiqui, assalamu alaikum. Okay. Now, yes, what will be the correct keyword, command word?
So it can be expand and simplify.
Expand, I think I use for power. If there is a,
So,
yes,
but
yes,
this is
expand,
a expansion of brackets also.
Yeah, you're
So
right.
we can say
You're
expand
right.
and simplify.
Expand and simplify. And in Cambridge, examiner gave
Simplify.
simplify fully.
Yes.
Sorry, completely. Simplify completely, because there are various steps, simplify completely. If students simplify or expand, as per Ms. Faiza told me, expand 3x squared plus 5 to the 15x minus 2x plus 6, then again it will be simplified. The word will be expand and simplify, or simplify completely or fully. Okay, this is a keyword from your past papers. Yes. What will be the command word for this type of question?
Evaluate.
Evaluate. Very good. You have to find the value, evaluate. Okay. And yes, students can, without calculator, how can solve the students?
Evaluate algebraically.
Right. Okay.
Evaluate by identity.
By identity. Evaluate by identity, or simply evaluate. Okay. Students can use the identity to find the value
Factorize.
of factorize. Factorize, I think, Miss Shima, factorize for there is a no variable here. You can
There
say,
is no variable.
yeah,
I'm talking about
you can say evaluate by factorization. Evaluate by factorization.
evaluate by factorization.
Yeah, you are right. Thank you very much, Shima. Thank you.
Sir Abdurrahman,
Yes, sir, Saad.
extremely
Yes.
sorry, sir. Just I just went to switch on the generator, and I wasn't
I
able
know.
to hear. I joined the meeting, but I wasn't
I
able to hear. I just got the headset right now. Extremely
now
sorry for that.
now are you hearing me? Now?
Yes.
Okay.
I can hear you.
Kindly, sir, participate, please. Yes, sir. Yes, miss.
There is a request from my side. I'm also in computer science meeting as well. So
Okay.
there are earphones I'm putting on my head. So if you call me and I'm not responding, that means I'm answering over.
Okay. No problem, Miss Shiva. Thank you very much. Okay, sir, Sir Hassan, sorry. Now.
Sir, may I? Sir, can I tell?
Yes.
So 3 to the power 0 means 1. Anything with the power 0 equals to 1. Then
Okay.
minus 3 to the power 1 means 3. So 1 minus 3 is 2. Minus 2.
Okay. Yes, sir. But what will be the command word here? My question is what
Command
correct
word.
command word? Yeah.
Evaluate.
Command word.
Yes, evaluate.
Evaluate.
Okay. Evaluate. Yes, sir. Furqan,
Evaluate.
Thank you, teachers. Thank you very much. Okay. There is a reinforcement, right? Evaluate. Okay, you have to put the correct command word. Yes.
Simplify.
Simplify. Yes, anyone else? Simplify, or you can say express as a single fraction, because there is a two fraction expressed as a single fraction in its simplest form, right? This is a phrase from Cambridge. Okay, Cambridge using this phrase. Now the last activity. Yes, for senior section. Senior sections, right? Matrices.
Sir, may I?
Okay.
So it is regarding matrices. So evaluate.
No problem, Sarsad, if you feel difficulty here, no problem. I want to ask from senior sections the correct word. If B is this and the B inverse is this, okay? Sir Furqan, Sir Zohaib, and Sir Ijaz. B inverse, yes. What will be the command word?
Find.
Find, okay.
Evaluate.
Find,
Evaluate.
Yeah, you're right. Find or evaluate. And okay, you know, this is 1 mark question. This is 1 mark question in for senior section. What will be the answer for this BB inverse?
I, capital I.
Capital I, or you can say 1001. Yes, Mishima. Yes, Mishima. Please add on.
001. The identity.
Identity matrix.
Identity
2
matrix.
by 2 identity matrix.
Yeah, 2 by 2 identity matrix, because it will be 1 mark question only. No need to more working. Your student can write directly answer. BB inverse will be 1001, like this. Okay, it will. It is a 1 mark question in examination paper. You will see. Now, okay, common errors which students do. Okay, can you share, teachers? Common error.
Student forget to apply BODMAS while attempting the questions.
BODMAS, very good. BODMAS, DMAS. There is a confusion. And yes, Sarijaz.
Sir, when asked for factorize, they solve the equations.
Right. Very common. Very common mistakes when you give question for factorization.
When they are being asked to draw cumulative frequency curve, they draw a frequency polygon. When you are to draw a histogram, they draw a bar chart.
Yeah, so polygon, gon means corner, yeah, na? Cumulative frequency curve.
They don't even know. Normally, we have observed that students actually don't know when to use BODMAS. They know what is BODMAS, but when it is mandatory and when it is not mandatory.
Right. Sir, kindly can you guide? Yes, sir, Zoe. Yes, Mishima, please. Okay, Mishima, yes,
sir,
you.
They are not going to see the marking of the question. So they are
doing
of
the question, very important.
More steps for that. If the question is only for 1 mark and if the question is of 3 marks, so they didn't understand this thing, that how many steps are required to solve this question. So they are giving a lot of and then the question is going to wrong.
Yes, Mishima is very much right.
And sir, at my level, what students? Sir, sorry to interrupt you, sir.
Yes.
Sir, at my level, what students they usually do, that if there is an equal to sign between 2 fractions, so instead of cross multiplication, they cancel out the numerator and the denominator.
You're right. You're right, sir. At your level. Okay, Mishima is very much correct. For this question, students multiply B into B inverse, then give the answer, even though this is 1 mark question. Thank you very much, Ms. Shima. Yes, Zohaib, kindly add on. You are telling something?
Yes, sir. I was telling that normally we have seen that actually students know what actually BODMAS rule is, and they also know how to use it, but they don't actually know that I have observed this, that when to use, when it is mandatory and when it is not mandatory. Okay, so if we have a expression or equation maybe where 4 operations are being used simultaneously at a time, or maybe 3 operations are used,
they are weak.
Over there it is mandatory. Okay,
right.
But in case only plus and minus are taking place in an expression or equation, if only plus and minus is taking place, then
left to right
I think left to right, yes, we should move as the statement proceeds. from left to right, we should follow the same order of the sequence. Similarly, if there is only multiplication and division taking place, there is also no need of using BOD mass. It's not mandatory over there. So we need to follow the same sequence of the statement.
Yeah.
But one more, when there are actually, I divided like two families. Plus minus belongs to the same family, and multiply divide belongs to the same family, other family. Okay. So if the family members of different families are working together, then it is mandatory to use BODMAS. And on if the family members of the same family are working, like plus minus belong to same family, if they are only working, no need to use BODMAS then. And if the multiplication division only working together, again there is no need to use BODMAS. But if both the family members are working together, means plus minus multiply or plus minus divide are
2
working
plus 2
together,
multiply 2, like, right?
Then only it is mandatory. This is from my side.
Yes.
This is from my side.
Yes, this is our duty, tell students and reinforcement for these rules, being other teachers. Okay, Sir Zoeb, thank you very much. Thank you very much, Sir Zoeb.
Pleasure, sir. My pleasure.
Okay. Now, there is a main common error for significant figure. Okay. If you give question write down in 3 significant figures for 29, students telling, sir, this is not possible, right? Because there is a common weak concepts. So over to strong the concept of students, right? Answer will be 29.0 for this 3 significant figure. And same as if we give 5, 4, 6, 5, 4 like this, and tell students write down in 3 significant figure, students will give answer 547, 547. It will be wrong, right? The correct answer will be 54700. The third concept must be strong for significant figure for students. Yes, for numbers, if we teacher give students convert into mixed fraction, students do long solution like this. First they same the denominator, then add, then convert into mixed fraction. Okay, kindly tell students that you can write directly. You can write directly if there's an integers and there is a proper fraction. Students can write directly. The answer is 2.5. This is your mental math technique. Okay, kindly discuss with the students for this technique time to time. Okay, teachers.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir,
Okay.
inshallah.
Okay. Because time management is very important in papers, in Cambridge paper or internal papers. Evaluate. Same if you teachers give the this type of question, students will try to same the denominator like this, 7/7 minus 3/7. Okay, it will take time. You can tell students this by mentally. You can student can solve 7 into 1 minus 3. 7 into 1 minus 3 is 4. 4 upon 7 is 4 upon 7 will be the answer. 7 1 is 7 minus 3. Okay, it will be save time for my 4 upon 7. This is another mental math technique you have to share with the students.
Okay, sir.
Now, this is very misconceptions. If I ask students, yes, what are you doing? What will be the answer from students? Can anyone share?
They will say we are finding out LCM.
Yeah, they are saying we are finding LCM. They are saying we are finding LCM. But LCM, LCM is the common multiple, and common multiple for common multiple, more than two numbers is necessary, right? If you teacher ask students, what are you doing? Students tell, sir, we are finding LCM. This is wrong answer, right? This is for to finding prime factors.
Prime factors, yes.
Okay, sir, I am finding LCM. This is wrong. Okay, it is not the method to find LCM. LCM for more than two numbers. Finding prime factors will be the correct statement for this
Two
method.
or more. Two or
Yeah,
more
two,
numbers. LCM is
yes, yes, sir, yes, sir. Two or more numbers. You are very correct. Thank you, Sir Zoeb. Okay, and there's is another common mistake. If I ask write prime factors of 8, okay, correct method. Yes, what is the mistake in this answer? Can anyone share?
Sir,
one is not a prime number.
1 is not a prime number.
yes, sir,
Students,
one is not to be written in the answer.
yes, 1 is not to be written. The answer will be the prime factors equal to 2 raised to power 3, or you 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, 1 is not a prime factor. Okay, there is a confusion in our GCA company students. One is either 1 is prime number or not. So tell the correct definition of prime number. Okay, prime numbers are those numbers which have only two different factors, 1 and itself. Okay, and tell the definition of composite number, numbers which have more than one factors. Okay, and one is neither composite or prime. So there is misconcept. There are some misconcept here. One is not a prime number. The answer only 2 raised to power 3.
Got it, sir.
Thank you very much, sir. Okay, another misconcept, when divide by 0, like answer students give, sir, answer is 0. If you give 0 upon 2 or 2 upon 0, both answer students give, sir, the answer both is 0. Okay, yes. What is the correct answer, sir? Zoeb, can you share?
Sir, infinity, sir.
Undefined.
Infinity. You can
Infinity.
infinity, or you can undefined. Part second,
Undefined.
undefined.
Ah.
Undefined on infinity. You can use both. Okay,
Both.
this is correct. Wrong. Not defined, or you can use infinity. Okay, because we cannot define 2 upon 0 if you divide by 0.
Acha, Sir Abdurrahman, I want to ask one thing to you.
Yes, yes.
Can you switch back to that present last slide?
This slide.
हाँ नहीं इधर sir till here the defined the purple box is there na the
Yeah.
move box yes. So till class 11 I think we are not explaining that iota and that undefined
Yeah,
thing how we are
yeah.
going to-
Iota
I'm
is
just
for A
using
level.
not defined or not defined.
Not
These are
defined,
the
or you can say infinity. Or infinity, you can say
Infinity, yes. Till
yeah,
here. Not
undefined,
more than
undefined, not defined,
not
infinity,
defined.
right?
Because
Iota,
I have
yeah.
seen these two words mostly in the past papers and also in the Cambridge website till CIE.
You're right.
Because
very
there
much-
is, I think 2 or 3 times hardly I have seen infinity. But this word is also not using commonly.
Not
CIE.
defined is the correct keyword, because in topic
Not defined
function,
is the correct keyword.
in function question.
Miss Shima, can I tell?
Yeah,
Yes.
please, sir. Furqan.
When you show not defined, so you can write in a words now. When you make a symbol, so you have to make a symbol of infinity.
Very good.
Exactly.
Very good, sir.
Ah,
Furqan.
that's
Thank you.
Yes, sir, Zoeb. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, sir. Now proceed. Okay, is there any confusion, teachers? Is there any confusion here?
No, sir.
No. Okay.
No, sir, fine.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay, if you give question x minus 2 whole square expand. Okay, students, mostly students not familiar with identity. They give answer x square minus 4 or x square plus 4. Okay, it is better if or for slow learner, it is better you give method multiplication by matrix or multiplication bracket to bracket. Okay, it will take time, no doubt it will take time, but students will give the correct answer. Okay, if a student feel the use of identity, you can use this method, right? Solution of equation, if you give x square equal to 1, generally we see student will do this. Square root on taking square root on both sides is not the method in the Cambridge. Taking square, yes, taking square, you can take square on both sides, but you cannot take square root on both sides. This is common mistake from students. Okay, taking square on both sides, you can take square on both sides, but you cannot take square root on both sides. This is common mistake. The correct solution will be, tell students when you shift the power 2, you have to write positive and negative, because these two value will satisfy the x square. If you put positive or square root 1, it will be 1. If you put minus square root 1 is square, it will also 1. Okay, there is two answer, not one answer here. Yeah, in this example, you can take square on both sides. This is recommended from Cambridge. Okay, square on both sides recommended from Cambridge, not a square root on both sides. In algebra.
Sir, I think you should come back to the
Sir,
last slide. It was very, very helpful. So
Yes.
let the teacher see clearly and understand what actually is happening around.
Right.
Please stay on this. Stay on this.
Taking square. Yes, sir.
Sir Zohaib and Sir Abdul Rahman, one thing that I want to discuss with class 8 or 7 teachers, that I was also teaching 7 and 8 for a long time. I think this type of solution, you are particularly mentioning this thing, but when we are starting algebra and we have to inculcate that concept of both the side. So obviously this is the part of the taking marks.
Yes.
So if you can put light on that point also. Till class 8, we have to tell them that both sides, but not in class 9. In class 9, with the passage of time, they are used.
Give concept from root levels. Give correct concept. Taking a square on both sides, but don't take a square root on both sides. Okay. For square root on both sides, you have to share the method.
Show me that.
Actually, this is what we need to inculcate. No? This is what we need to inculcate. This is wrong and this is
right.
Right. This is accepted by Cambridge.
Then along with the square root sign, we have to put plus and minus along with the square root sign.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes. If you write square root on both sides, but Hassan, it is not the method from Cambridge. In exam, if you read the examination report, it this was not the correct. If you read
okay, sir.
Okay, I will.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
I will give you the image for this.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Now, okay, yes. Should I move on next slide, teachers, Ms. Shima?
Sure, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, more misconcept here. Okay. Use of bracket. Students forget the use of bracket, right? Students forget, use the bracket. So this is our duty. Time to time, we should give this type of questions.
Sir, I want to add on to this.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Please, sir. Sir Zoeb.
Use of
Yes.
bracket. Actually, it's a very, very important tip. In fact, I would say, doing algebra, we have to inculcate in the student that whenever we are substituting values of unknowns, okay, in the equation or expression, must use empty bracket first and then substitute the values, because at times when the values of any variable is a negative value, then it hurts a lot. If they don't use brackets, it will hurt, definitely it will hurt. So it's a very good practice if we ask student and we highlight this thing time and again to them, that whenever you are substituting values in any algebraic expressions or equations, make sure that always use
Yes, sir. Your voice is gone.
the values for the variables. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir Zoeb. Thank you for
You're
your
most
suggestion. Yes, as Hassan told me, yes, this is a common mistake. X and X cancel.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Right? Yes, you share in the previous slides. These common mistakes from students. Okay, teachers, there are 9 minutes are left. If you want to share, if you want to share your slide, most welcome, please. If anyone.
Sir, I
Yes,
want
sir.
to share something.
Ajaz. Yes, sir.
Uh,
Please, sir Furqan.
I want to share something regarding the grade threshold, because at least
Okay.
we should know what are the grade threshold of the
Yeah.
previous year. I
Okay.
want to show.
So,
Can I
please
show?
share. Yeah. Share the screen, please.
So just wait for 1 minute.
Okay. Please mute your mic, please. Who is this? Okay, sir Furqan, no problem. Sir Furqan, mute your mic, please, sir Furqan. Mute your mic.
One by one, all of these again.
Yes, sir Furqan. Share your screen.
I cannot hear, sir, and the screen is not visible to me.
Yeah, sir Furqan is trying. Sir Furqan is trying.
Miss
Please.
Miss Shima, I haven't shown. No? When I show, then you will see.
Okay, Sir Furqan, please show. Can you share your screen? Sir Furqan. You are adding something.
Sir, we are turning now.
Just
Yes,
wait.
Sir Zoeb. Sir Zoeb, Sir
Yes,
Furqan,
sir.
can Sir Zoeb show? Sir Furqan, if you have problem.
Yes, sir. So can you show?
Sir Zoeb, please carry on.
Okay, sir, just a minute.
Okay. Okay, now your screen is visible.
Okay, can you see all of you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, teachers, please reply.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We can see.
Okay. Just a few lines I would like to add on to the presentation. Sir have I think covered everything which we should know by this time now. So teaching mathematics effectively. So there are a few points which I have collected, that how can we teach effectively in the classroom as well as in the online sessions. So let's discuss over here. There are some secrets to become a better math teacher. Secrets to become a better math teachers. Can one of you read it for me? Hassan, if you can, please.
Yes, sir. I can.
Please.
So should I start?
Yes, sir.
Please,
Yes, sir.
sure.
Please.
Secrets to become a better maths teacher. I think besides having enough knowledge of mathematics and teaching strategies, a teacher should love teaching math because, in this case, the teacher transfers signals of having love of math to her students and motivates them to love math.
Very good,
Okay.
very good. It's excellent. These lines, it comes out of the heart, you can say, from the bottom of the heart, that once a teacher is loving its subject itself, then only he or she will be able to deliver the lessons with, from the heart. Once the lecture
Yes.
is delivered from the heart, then it shows the love from the teacher for the subject, as well as we can inculcate the love of the subject into students.
Yes, sir, very true, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, Zoeb. Yes, sir, Zoeb. Carry on, please. Okay, I think, Sir Zoeb, there is a problem. Okay. Yes.
Students, can you hear me, sir?
Yes. 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 Now,
Okay.
I'm hearing
Okay,
you.
along with having sound subject knowledge, teachers should update
Yes.
themselves on regular intervals with the changes taking place in their respective teaching domains.
Okay.
Teachers should empower themselves with the modern technology-based teaching methodologies, as we people are doing nowadays in the quarantine times. So we have learned a lot during these sessions using technology into our subject. Then take up with the interesting subject-based training programs in order to get familiar with the latest teaching techniques and methodologies. That is from my side. Actually, I myself I'm taking the lecture from my, you know, cell phone. I don't have electricity right now. So anybody who
Okay.
wants
Sir
to
Abdurrahman, can I add something?
Yes, Miss Shima, please.
Sir, when we have a strong subject knowledge, and if the teacher is technologically sound, the students are
Right.
not going to give dosh to the teacher. And they
Yeah.
knew that the teacher
Very much true.
is fully equipped. She and he knows everything. We are not making them fool. So they should sit silent in the class and understand during the lecture. And they are going to participate effectively during the classroom.
very
That is why when you have good sound knowledge, you have good knowledge about your subject, and you are confident on that topic, then you are able to complete your planning accordingly.
very
Yes,
true,
very
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 true.
true, Miss Shima. Miss Shima, thank you. Okay. Yes. Teachers. Miss Taira, Miss Bushra, Miss Sir Hassan, Sir Ejaz. Yes. Sir Furqan. If you want to add on something, please. Welcome. Yes, teachers. Yes, Hassan.
Sir, I really
Yes.
appreciate, sir. Sir, nothing to add on. It's just perfect. Nothing to add on, sir. It's
Okay.
very perfect.
Yes. Sir Ejaz. Yes, Sir Ejaz. Are you hearing me?
No, sir. Yes, sir. But
No,
it's
no,
okay.
no.
You,
Okay.
you
Sir,
have done all the
I would
things.
say this presentation is very fruitful for all the teachers and
Okay.
for me as well. And we have
Yes.
just
Yes, sir.
discussed
True, sir.
all the topics.
Can
Yes,
anyone
indeed.
Thank you so
can
much, sir.
anyone recap uh, the workshop? Quick recap, please. Anyone? Yes, sir. Zohaib,
Sir,
can you
can
recap?
I?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Please, Hassan.
So the workshop was all about, although I joined a little late because of electric issue, so
No
the
problem.
generator. But so far, what I have joined, what I have learned so far in this workshop is that it was all about the common errors which students normally do during the CI exam, and it focused very much on the terminologies which are
Right.
written in the paper, and it helps the students to focus, and
Right.
it helps that it guide the wordings which guide the student to solve specific solutions, not to get in very much details and workings. So it was all about that. Apart from that, it talked about common errors done by the students during working and during the rough working, as well as the fair working which they normally do, like fractions, exponentials, and powers and dices and everything, and especially about
Yes.
the matrices when there are less number for less working, but students they do expanded working on that.
You're right.
Later on, we talked about later on you talked about some more like complex numbers like the roots and everything.
Right.
Using the theorem of square on both the sides, there was a misconception that the students they usually write square root, but they don't put plus and minus sign over there, which is a common error. and it requires a lot of attention. This particular error requires attention to be catered because it is an important issue.
Yes.
Apart from that, so you further discuss about infinity and divided by zero, that it should be like defined and not defined. And so Zohaib added a point, and said Zohaib added a very good point in that if you're writing in words, so it's undefined or not defined. But if you are representing in form of symbol, you have to show infinity sign over there.
Yes.
So
examiner use word not defined for the function topic, right? Okay,
yes,
Sir Hassan, I think you missed the slide. This slide. This is the topic added scatter diagram, compound interest, and net of 3D shapes. These topics are added in the new syllabus, right? 2018.
Okay,
and from transformation, stretch, shear, loci in 3 dimension has been removed. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you very much, all the teachers. Thank you very much.
You're welcome, sir.
Okay, all the teachers. Okay, now
you are most welcome, sir. It was very good, very nice presentation.
Thank you so much
very
for the
fruitful.
presentation.
Thank you very much, all of you.
Very fruitful. It was very fruitful, helpful for us.
Thank you very much again, sir. Ms. Maria and Ms. Amreen.
Thank you so much, Sir Abdul Rahman. It's very helpful.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay, Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz, sir.
Allah Hafiz. Thank you very much.